Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Organizing Teams Around Strengths. Organizing teams around strengths is a pivotal strategy in enhancing team performance and ensuring project success, especially within the framework of project management professional certification. This approach not only optimizes individual contributions, but also fosters a collaborative environment where team members feel empowered and supported. Such organization begins with a clear understanding of each team member's unique strengths and how these can be leveraged to achieve collective goals. Using strengths-based team organization aligns with contemporary management practices that emphasize individual potential and collaborative synergy. The concept of organizing teams around strengths is grounded in the idea that individuals perform better and are more engaged when they have the opportunity to utilize their natural talents. This is supported by research that indicates a strong correlation between strengths-based development and improved work performance, employee engagement, and overall organizational effectiveness. For instance, a study by Gallup found that organizations that focus on strengths experience a 29% increase in profits, a 15% increase in employee engagement, and a 7% increase in customer engagement. Such data underscores the importance of harnessing individual strengths for team success. A key aspect of organizing teams around strengths lies in the identification and assessment of these strengths. Tools such as the Clifton Strengths Assessment, which categorizes strengths into domains like strategic thinking, relationship building, influencing, and executing, can be pivotal. By identifying these attributes, project managers can assign roles that align with each member's strengths, thereby enhancing both individual satisfaction and team productivity. For example, a team member with strong relationship-building skills might excel in a client-facing role, while someone with strategic thinking capabilities could thrive in planning and development tasks. Once strengths have been identified, the next step is strategic role allocation. In a team where roles are aligned with individual strengths, members are not only more likely to excel in their tasks, but also contribute to a positive team dynamic. This strategic alignment can lead to what is known as flow, a state where individuals are fully immersed and involved in their work, leading to higher productivity and satisfaction. Moreover, by focusing on strengths rather than weaknesses, teams can mitigate potential stress and burnout, creating a more sustainable and effective work environment. However, organizing teams around strengths does not mean ignoring areas of improvement or avoiding skill development. On the contrary, it involves creating a balanced approach where strengths are maximized while ensuring that any critical skill gaps are addressed through targeted training and development initiatives. This dual focus helps build a versatile and adaptable team capable of tackling diverse project challenges. For instance, a project manager might organize workshops or mentorship programs that allow team members to develop complementary skills that enhance their primary strengths. Communication plays a crucial role in the successful organization of teams around strengths. Transparent and ongoing communication ensures that team members understand their roles, the expectations placed upon them, and how their contributions fit into the broader project goals. It also fosters an environment where feedback is encouraged and valued, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation. Regular check-ins and team meetings can serve as platforms for discussing progress, celebrating successes, and addressing any emerging issues promptly. The benefits of organizing teams around strengths extend beyond individual projects. As team members experience the positive impact of working within their strengths, their overall engagement and commitment to the organization increase. This approach can lead to higher retention rates, as employees are more likely to remain with an organization that values their unique contributions and offers opportunities for growth. Furthermore, It contributes to a culture of empowerment where employees feel respected and valued for their capabilities. Empirical evidence supports the notion that strengths-based team organization leads to superior performance outcomes. A meta-analysis conducted by Lee et al. Reviewed several studies on strengths-based management approaches and concluded that such strategies lead to significant improvements in job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and performance. These findings suggest that by capitalizing on human capital and focusing on innate abilities, organizations can achieve a competitive advantage in today's dynamic business environment. In the context of project management, a strengths-based approach aligns with several principles outlined in the PMP framework, particularly those related to team performance and stakeholder engagement. By organizing teams around strengths, project managers can better navigate the complexities of project execution, from planning and resource allocation to risk management and stakeholder communication. This alignment ensures that projects are not only completed on time and within budget, but also deliver exceptional value to stakeholders. In conclusion, organizing teams around strengths is a powerful strategy for empowering and supporting team performance within the PMP framework. By recognizing and leveraging the unique talents of each team member, project managers can foster an environment of engagement, collaboration, and innovation. This approach not only enhances individual and team performance, but also contributes to the long-term success of the organization. The empirical evidence supporting strengths-based team organization is compelling, making it a crucial consideration for project managers seeking to optimize team dynamics and achieve outstanding project outcomes. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.